Yeah, welcome to Elite Crypto. And in today's video, I want to show you guys a platform which you can trade your crypto assets. If you're the type that don't know how to trade on futures or spots, this platform will help you do that. Okay, it's a crypto trading platform. Okay, so as you can see here on my browser, the name of the website is pegasus.cx. Okay, so you can check it out on your device. All right, now Pegasus is a professional trading system where you make 1.5% of your investment for 200 days. Okay, now imagine depositing $100 and you make 1.5% per day. That is 10.5 per week. That is 10.5% of $100. So you can imagine how much you'll be making. It's quite good. And about Pegasus. Now, what I'll advise you guys, do your own research, okay? Nothing I post here is a financial advice. Kindly do your own research, okay? I've done my own research and that's why I'm posting this video. You to do yours also, okay? Do yours also so as not to lose your money. And also note, don't invest in platforms. Don't invest huge amounts of money on platforms which you cannot afford to lose, okay? If you know $100 is too big for you to lose, invest maybe 20 or 50, depends on you. Okay, if $100 is too small for you to lose, you can invest $100. Okay, but don't invest on something you can't afford to lose, guys. It's risky. Okay, all right, now how to get started on Pegasus. There are three easy steps. You sign up, you make a deposit, and you start what's earning. Okay, it's quite simple, very simple. You just sign up here on a platform. You see sign up on this part here. You see login, register. Okay, so I've already done mine, but I'm just showing you guys how the platform is. So the features, you have professional traders, instant withdrawal, security, support improvement, and earnings. Okay, now this platform is a crypto platform, not like forex where you have weekends you don't trade. On this platform it's 7 days. Okay, 7 days a week, Sunday to Sunday. All right, there's no break. Okay, and minimum deposit is $50, minimum withdrawal is $10, and payment is in BTC only. Okay, that is, your withdrawal is in BTC only, but deposit is in all crypto asset. I'll show you here. You see the crypto asset they use for deposits, they allow. You're going to see it. Okay, and so far they have 1,835 clients and investment of $351,285, and they've so far paid $72,378. Okay, so it's a new platform. Okay, so that's why I advise, do your own research. Okay, don't invest in something you can't afford to lose, guys. All right, now 1.5% daily. Okay, so look at it here. Let me zoom this so you can see. Minimum deposit from $50 to $250,000. Minimum withdrawal is $10, and withdrawal payment system, instant payments in BTC. That's what I'm saying, guys. They pay only in BTC. Okay, but you can deposit using any of these crypto assets. Okay, all right, now the referral program here. Okay, you earn a 14% commission on a 3-level referral system. Okay, now as you can see, you read this beside the daily income. Pegasus offers a profitable referral system for regular users. All right, so let me show you guys how the assets they accept. Okay, so these are the crypto assets which they accept. As you can see, EP, Core, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana, Cardano, Stellar. So many. So it depends on you. As you can see, USDT, RC. It depends on you. Depend on what you want to invest in. USD coin, So many, even Shiba Inu, Tezos, Filecoin, Tether Network. So you just pick what suits you, what you feel like, and you deposit. So I'll be showing you guys how you can deposit. And also, guys, read the FAQ, frequently asked questions. Read it very well so you know what you're involving yourself in. Okay, because this is not a financial advice. Do well to read the FAQ very, very well, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how you can deposit on this platform. So how you're going to deposit, it's quite easy. So you click here. I'm going to log in. If you are new on the platform, you have to register. Okay, so this is it, guys. So I'm going to do this authentication, and I'm going to do it. And um I'm not a robot. All this you'll do it. Okay, so I'm going to sign in, and I'm going to show you guys how to deposit. All right, guys, so I've successfully logged in my accounts to the website, and this is how it looks like: home, deposit, withdrawal, referrals, dividends, my deposits, my withdrawals, and payouts, addresses, settings. Okay, guys, so now this is how you deposit. Now minimum deposit is $50. Okay, minimum deposit $50. That is minimum deposit. All right, so going to go to deposit. You click on deposit. So as you can see, minimum deposit $50. So you click on how much you want to deposit, which is let's say you want to deposit $100, and you can select any of these. Okay, any of these crypto assets and deposit. Okay, you can send USDT, Tron, you can send Tron, any of these. So let's say you want to deposit Ethereum. For me, I would advise you use a stable coin like USDT or USD Tron. I'll even advise Tron because of its low gas fee, or Stellar. Also, you can use Stellar or Tron, but Ethereum has high gas fee. All right, so depends on you though, but I'm just saying for me, that's what I'm going to use. I'm not going to use Ethereum. I'm going to use this, okay, or Stellar or Tron, because of their low gas fees, guys. Or I use TRX. Okay, then you proceed to payments. Okay, so now once you, when you want to withdraw, once you accumulate the minimum withdrawal of $10, you can withdraw straight to your exchange. If you are using a central exchange, a centralized exchange like your Binance, your OKX, you can just withdraw directly there. Okay, so this is how you deposit. So this is what will happen: amount to deposit 100 USDT Tron TRC. So I'm going to send USDT to this address and deposit. Okay, so after depositing, at the end of the week, I'll see how much I'm going to make, guys. Okay, so when you have to copy this address and go to your centralized exchange, wherever you are having your crypto assets, you go there and send 100 USDT. Send this amount you are seeing, everything. You can copy this and send to this address, and you've successfully funded your account. So when you do that, every day you'll be earning 1.5% for 200 days. Okay, so you can decide to withdraw at the end of a month or 3 months. If you're the type that want to leave it for months, you can continuously check, and after some time you withdraw. Okay, it's even good that the minimum withdrawal is just $10, guys. So guys, check out this platform. It's quite simple and easy to use. If you're the type that don't have time to trade or don't know how to trade, this platform is for you. And like I advise, please do your due diligence. Okay, nothing I post here is a financial advice, guys. So always do your research, guys. It's quite easy. So when you do this, weekly you get your 10.5% weekly, and daily 1.5%. So imagine investing you're investing something like $3,000 or $2,000. Just imagine how much you'll be making, guys. Quite simple. Okay, so you can also, before you withdraw, you impute your wallet address. Okay, you're going to impute it. You're going to impute your wallet address. Let's say you want to withdraw, you have to go to settings. Okay, so this is it, withdraw address. So when you want to withdraw, make sure it's in. All right, guys, so when you want to add your withdrawal address, you go to your centralized exchange like Binance, OKX, MEX, and KuCoin, whichever one you're using. You go and copy the deposit address of BTC from that exchange, that is the centralized exchange, and you paste. Like this is I'm going to paste my address here and paste. Then wallet name, I'm going to call it my name. I'm going to call it my name, Alexander, and that's how I save. Okay, and I save it. So been saved successfully. Been saved. You can add up to 10 withdrawal addresses. Currently we support Bitcoin. Okay, legacy and SegWit only. So when copying your address, make sure it's between legacy and SegWit only. Okay, after adding new withdrawal addresses, withdrawals be held for 24 hours for security reasons. Okay, so when you want to add your BTC address, make sure it's legacy and SegWit only. How do you know that now? For instance, let me open my Binance so you will know which of the address you are going to copy. Okay, now this is my Binance app, so you will see which of the address you have to copy. Okay, now how do you do that? You go to your wallet, this wallet, then you click on spot, you click on deposit, then you click on BTC. Okay, so now look at it here. So this is what they currently support now: SegWit, BTC, SegWit. Okay, so you're going to copy this address. I'm going to copy this address, copy, and go back to your browser and input wallet name. I'm going to call this Alexander2. Okay, Alexander. Let me use SegWit, so I'm going to know which of them. Okay, then I'm going to copy, paste. Okay, all right, so this is it. So always make sure before you input your address, you read very well so you don't lose your funds. Okay, then I'm going to save, guys. So saved already. Then let's go back. Okay, so you can update your password and turn on two-factor authentication 2FA. So that's it, guys. So when you deposit, you can easily withdraw your assets, guys. It's quite easy. So I've added my withdrawal address, so in case I want to withdraw, to go straight to my Binance, and from Binance I can withdraw to my local bank account, guys. It's quite simple. So do check out this video, guys. Do your own research. Nothing I post here is a financial advice. Invest in what you can afford to lose. See you in my next video, guys.